Given the equation x squared plus 4y squared plus 4x minus 8y plus c equal to 0. Find the range of value of c such that this equation represents an ellipse. So firstly, we are going to convert the general equation of the ellipse into the standard form by using technique of completing the square. So given the general equation of an ellipse is x squared plus 4y squared plus 4x minus 8y plus c equal to 0. Now let us begin by group separately the x terms and the y terms. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 4y squared minus 8y equal to negative c. Before we can completing the square, we have to make sure that the coefficient of x squared and y squared is 1. So x squared plus 4x plus, over here we have to factor out 4. So that to make the coefficient of y squared is 1. Alright, so here we have x squared plus 4x plus some constant minus some constant plus 4 times with y squared minus 2y plus some constant minus some constant equal negative c. So the constant here refer to b over 2. The values of b is coefficient of x. So the values of b for the x term we have 4, and the values of b for the y term we have negative 2. So we can put here 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And here negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Now we can factorize the first three terms. So we have x plus 2 squared minus 4 plus, same with here, we can factorize the first three terms. For the y terms we have 4 times y minus 1 squared minus 1 equal negative c. Now rewrite the equation. Multiply 4 into the bracket. Let us simplify the equation. So we get x plus 2 squared plus 4y minus 1 squared equal to 8 minus c. Since the right hand side must be 1, so divide everything by 8 minus c. So we have x plus 2 squared over 8 minus c plus 4 times y minus 1 squared over 8 minus c equal to 1. Now, for ellipse to exist, the values of 8 minus c on the denominator must be positive. So 8 minus c must be greater than 0. Let us solve this. Negative c is greater than negative 8. Now we need to eliminate the negative by multiplying with negative 1. So we get c is less than 8. Question B. The point A, B, and C have position vectors I plus 2j minus 3k, I plus 5j, and 5i plus 6j minus k respectively, relative to an origin O. Show that vector BA is perpendicular to vector BC and find the area of the triangle ABC. Now, the information given in this question is the position vector of A, B, and C. Let us write it down. Now, we need to find vector BA, which is equal to OA minus OB. So vector BA is 0, negative 3, negative 3, which is equal to negative 3j plus minus negative 3k. Next, find vector BC equal to OC minus OB. We get the answer is 4, 1, negative 1 equal to 4i minus j minus k. Now, we are going to show these two vectors is perpendicular by using dot product. So we take BA, vector BA dot with vector BC. Now, we multiply for each row, 0 times 4, and then we sum it up, plus negative 3 times 1, plus negative 3 times negative 1. So we get the answer is 0. So from here, we can make the conclusion, say that since vector BA dot BC equal to 0, therefore vector BA is perpendicular to vector BC. Next, find the area of the triangle ABC. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1 over 2 times with magnitude of vector BA cross vector BC. So firstly, let us find the cross product between vector BA and vector BC. So put in vector BA, we have 0, negative 3, negative 3, and vector BC is 4, 1, negative 1. So first we have the sign positive. So we take the second and the third column, -3, -3, 1, -1. And then we have the sign negative. We take the element in the first and third column. And next we have sign positive. Now we take the element in the first and second column. So let us find the determinant by using a formula AD minus BC. We have 3 plus 3i minus 0 plus 12j plus 0 plus 12k. So we get the vector is 6i minus 12j plus 12k. Now, let us substitute into the formula to find the area of the triangle ABC. 1/2 times with the magnitude of vector PA cross BC. So to find the magnitude, so the formula is square root. So we put in 6 square plus -12 square plus 12 square. So we get 1/2 times with 18, and we get the answer is 9. So the area is 9 unit square.